Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill here to share the September 2021 Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit comes out every month. It will include 2 brand new collections. You will receive cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments, as well as have access to 2 recipe cards. These are double page layouts designed by our design team, and they give you cutting instructions, assembly instructions, and a full color photograph of their finished layout so you can create right along with them. So this month your 2 collections include Jen Hatfield's Peaceful Heart and Simple Stories Family Fun. They're very different from each other, but they are both gorgeous and a lot of fun. I can't wait to use both of them. Let's dig in, and we're going to take a closer look at everything you're going to receive in this month's kit. Our first collection we're going to look at is Peaceful Heart by Jen Hatfield. This one is gorgeous. It has the pink and the peaches and then that blue-green. It's just a really soft collection. It has a really wide theme, so you could use this for just about anything, but I love all of the sayings that are in Jen Hatfield's collections. They're just upbeat and inspirational, so I really appreciate that in her collections. So you're going to start with 1 sheet of shrimp cardstock, and then for the other cardstock, some of the kits may vary due to supply right now because of COVID and everything else that we're facing. So some of you may receive 2 sheets of avocado cardstock, and some of you may receive 2 sheets of white cardstock. Both very versatile and able to use with this collection. So your pattern paper is this one called Breathe Deeply, which is a large floral print. I just love all of the colors in this collection. The back is this really great hunter green with a small little cluster of dots. Just reminds me of flowers. There's also the full branding strip of the gray diagonal. This paper called Mindfulness, which is a tone-on-tone peach color of some just leaves, some little branches. The back is a 2-toned in the peach with a little bit darker. And this could be seen to me as a rainbow or either a sunrise, a sunset. You could interpret that many ways. Full branding strip of the stripes in the peach. This paper is called Peaceful Heart, and it has the 3x4 cut aparts. Just like I was saying before, all of the inspirational sayings, good things are coming, fall in love with as many things as possible, growth is not growth no matter how small, or growth is growth no matter how small, breathe deeply, exhale softly, keep learning, keep growing. Beautiful colors, some really nice fun icons throughout this. The back is a neutral kind of earthy toned dots and a wood grain branding strip. So you can see all of the B-sides there. For your embellishment, you're going to get a roll of washi tape, and these will vary among the kits. This is the one I got, which is a gold kind of marbling print. It's really fun. You're going to get 3 heart brads. So these are the ones that I got. And you're going to get some of these foam stickers. So they're like thickers. I love those. And a 1/6 pack of the ephemera pieces. So these will vary among the kits, but you can see a good representation there. So that is Peaceful Heart by Jen Hatfield. Our next collection is Family Fun from Simple Stories, and this has a wide variety of just different games and activities that our families do. So I'm really excited about this collection. It's going to be a lot of fun to document those memories. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock and a sheet of crimson. For your pattern paper, we have this one called Family Fun, which is all the different colors of stars on the black background. And the back is like a bingo board, so that would be a great background. This one's called Movie Night, and it has a red and white striped, and the back is popcorn. I love this on the yellow. That's going to be a lot of fun to play with as well. This one is the Journal Elements. So it has a plaid on this side, which I love this plaid. It's really great with all of the different colors. And then the back are cut aparts. And these are ones that are different sizes. So we have some that are like 3x4. We have a 3x3. This is probably 2x3 maybe, and a 3x6. So I love that when they give you different sizes. But this is awesome because it has like the scorecard for mini golf, for bowling, if you're doing video games and things on the TV or a console. It has this that's kind of like the old style games, a bingo card, a playing card, your journal card for your treats, a movie ticket. There's just so many fun icons just on this piece of paper right here. Great for embellishing and telling the story. So that is your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get some enamel dots. These are going to vary among colors, but I got the red. You're also going to get a strip of tags. This is that pattern paper that I love that has tags with icons that match the collections, but the back are always blank with just patterns. So you could use those on anything. So the one I have is like puzzles and then little pawn pieces for games, and then the front is specific to games. So I love those tags that they do. You're also going to receive some of the foam stickers. So these will vary, but this is what I got, some Scrabble tiles and a big title, a marquee sign, and a star player. And then you're also going to receive a fifth a pack of the ephemera pieces. So again, these will vary, but you can see just a wide variety of different games and icons. So that's a lot of fun. So that is Family Fun from Simple Stories. One more look at your double shot kit for September. Don't forget to check out the flavors of the month if you want a little bit bigger kit, as well as all of the add-ons or the shots of life. We also have a card kit, and there are lots of items in the store that you can have shipped right along with your double shot kit. So be sure to check all those out, and then join us on the Facebook group for the challenges and all of the fun, and show us what you're creating. We love to see what you're creating. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.